I'm Shri and I'm here to talk about how we can set up a Python environment for agentic development. Now we would be using LangGraph, OpenAI, and a little bit of LangChain to do this. So initially, I have an empty directory here, and I would like to initiate a simple project with this. I'll be using UV. So we have a basic project, as you can see. Now, I don't like using main.py. I prefer having my notebook separate and my source code separate. So I will just remove this and I will create my directory. There we have it. Now, even though we have this directory right now, the respective Python packages have not been installed because there has been no virtual environment that has been created. So let's create that. So we have a virtual environment that's been created. Now let's add LangGraph. Adding a package is really similar compared to pip. In pip we were doing pip install. Here we just do uv add, and that has been done. Let's add OpenAI. That's been done. And let's add LangChain. Is there anything else? Yes, Jupyter. UV add Jupyter. Done. Now let's run and see if we have these environments up and if we have these packages up and running. So we do UV run Jupyter lab. Okay, let's create a notebook. And there we have it. We have a new environment that exists within our folder, that is your .ve and v. We have a uv.log file, we have a pyproject.toml file, we have a source code, we have a readme file, and we have the respective git files. Thank you, and in the next video we'll talk about how we can build a simple chatbot using LangGraph.